Do woodpeckers ever get headaches? You'd think they would. If you slammed your head into a tree 20 times a second with a force up to 1,200 times the force of gravity, your brain would be jelly. But woodpeckers do it all day, and they're totally fine. Turns out their heads are built for impact. Their skulls are thick, but it's more than that. The bones are spongy in just the right places to absorb shock. Their brains are small and tightly packed inside the skull, with very little room to rattle around. Even their beaks help. The upper and lower parts of the bill are slightly different lengths, which spreads out the impact. That keeps the force from traveling in a straight line to the brain. And they don't just slam randomly. Each strike is fast, precise, and always with the same part of the head, like a chisel. Their neck muscles act like built-in suspension, controlling the movement and recoil with every hit. Basically, they're flying power tools with custom shock absorbers. And no, there's no evidence they get headaches or brain damage. Scientists have studied this closely. They've even modeled helmets after woodpecker skulls. So the next time you see a red-bellied woodpecker hammering away at a dead tree, know that it's not reckless. It's carefully engineered behavior shaped by millions of years of evolution. No aspirin required. And that's the birdness of it all. If you like this video, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this next one too.